Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, everybody. It's your boy, Daily Dose of Lows. Y'all already know. Hope y'all are having a great day. Hope y'all are enjoying yourselves. I know I am. It's a great day. It's beautiful, actually. It's January. It's like 50 degrees out here. I'm wearing a hoodie, a hat, jeans. Normally in this weather, I feel like I should be wearing sweats, gloves, a beanie. It's cold normally, but today, beautiful day. So because of that, we're going to be doing a little install video. Hopefully it's not too long of a video, but making some upgrades to my recovery gear, to my winch, and take y'all along for the ride. So what we got going on today is upgrading our recovery gear and doing that really. So, and trying to do it inexpensively because your boy's got a ball on a budget. So let's go and get the episode started for today. Three, 2, 1, let's go. Alright guys, so here's what we got going on today. Just really two things. Like I said, hopefully this is a short, easy video for us today. Like I said, inexpensive, cheap mods. So first thing we're going to be doing, man, I do have the Smittybilt 10,000 pound, what is it, X20 or whatever, winch. Now, as you guys can see, let me show you guys real quick. I do have the regular hook on here, you know, that comes on the synthetic cable, but it's kind of rusty. I'm not really a big fan of it, and just not my style. So what we're going to be installing today is the Smittybilt aluminum winch shackle, right? So we're going to get rid of the hook and put that shackle on there, and I'll kind of show you guys why I went through it. So first, let's go ahead and get out of the box. Let me show it to you guys, kind of give you guys a little understanding of it, or why I decided to go with it for those that are still new to the whole overlanding, off-roading, in this whole recovery situation, right? And then also what I'm gonna do for you guys is I got this new ARB Snatch strap, and I'm gonna go ahead and mount it in what is my molly board on the back, in the rear. And I'm gonna show you guys how I did that, or how it looks, or whatever, how it's configured. Ooh, let's get that focused. There we go. So I'll kind of show you guys how that looks, what that looks like in my setup, and what I kind of have back there also. So let's go ahead and pop this open real quick and let's see what we got. Boom. So here's what we got, guys. We got the, like I said, the Smittybilt aluminum winch shackle, right? Gonna get rid of that hook and throw this bad boy on there. So let's go ahead and kind of open it up, and I'll kind of go through it, see what it looks like, or what you guys would expect if you guys were to buy it. So it's all aluminum, looks just like this. Ooh, clean, very clean looking. So what this is gonna essentially allow us to do is have a closed-in connection when we are trying to recover, when we are trying to winch ourselves out, things of that sort. So let's see here, just little zip ties on the bottom. Get rid of those bad boys. Boom, boom. As you guys can see, there you go. So as you guys can see, very simple piece, very inexpensive, especially in this hobby, in this lifestyle, whatever you want to consider it. Things can tend to be expensive, and for me, just being the weekend overlander, or whatever you want to call it, try to stay within a budget, right? Gotta balance the budget. So like I said, very inexpensive compared to a lot of other brands, and for the price and for what I'm getting out of it, I definitely would recommend it. I yet to use it, but very simple. See, as you guys can see here, let's see if we get the camera to focus. It does have what is a snap ring here, which I'll uninstall it, and then what it'll essentially do is the hook, well, not the hook, but the winch cable will hook into here. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. There we go. And then it'll just slide right into the bumper. It'll just sit up, and it'll sit more, what you call it, what's the word I'm looking for? It'll sit more flush versus having to be out, sticking out and whatnot. So let's go ahead and uninstall the old hook. Let's do that. Alright guys, so let me do a quick little comparison to what to expect in the box, what it looks like, to compare to my old one, right? So as you guys can see, here's the old hook that is tied to my cable. So it is, let me put this down real quick. It's just a regular hook, right? Just snap it in and boom, ready to go, right? So Personally, I'm not a big fan of these. I've done a lot of research online, watch other YouTube videos and really trying to understand what's the best way to do it. And a lot of times people, say that this clip here can essentially fail in a recovery situation and could really make things go from bad to worse. And we definitely don't want that to happen, especially when you are working with your vehicle, other people's vehicles. I mean, you want to make sure it's a fun, safe trip, right? So no point in trying to have an accident or a situation turn into an accident. Don't want that. So with the shackle, what we're going to be able to do is essentially create a closed end connection between that and the snatch strap, the tree trunk saver, whatever you're connecting to, right? It's going to allow you to save it. So I have a shackle. Let me show you guys what that looks like in here. Regular, just a little 3/4 shackle, right? So essentially what you would do, say you're having to recover somebody, you would just pull the pin out of your shackle, line it up with this. See what I'm saying? Well, here we go. Line it up here, like that. And then boom. And then of course, whatever you have connected over here, like I said, snatch strap or a tree trunk saver, whatever, right? You would just hook it up to here and it would just be one piece, see? Versus the hook. So this is a lot more sturdier, I believe, and it's not gonna prevent the clip from, if this ever shifts anywhere, it won't go towards the clip. And if there's too much pressure, say that clip breaks, again, an accident could turn into, or a bad situation could turn into a worse situation, an accident. You don't want that, man. The whole purpose of this is to have fun, enjoy it, and be able to come back home or wherever home is, right? So boom, very simple, easy process, and make it safe. So let's go ahead and oh, actually, let me talk about this real quick. Now you'll see with a lot of these, at least what I've seen online, is they either got like a bowl or something here that's connecting them to the rope. I don't have that. Mine's is a one piece. So I got a cutoff wheel, and I'm gonna go ahead and just cut this bad boy off, throw this on there, and hopefully make it look good. So let's go ahead and do that. Let me know what you guys think. I know there's a lot of other companies out there that create these winch shackles. So for me, it was just trying to go with something inexpensive and something with my budget and price range. If you guys have had experience with this shackle, let me know. Put it in the comments. I'm definitely curious to know what other people have experienced with it, if they have, or other brands. So eventually I definitely would love to get that more expensive high-end brand, but said try to work with what I got. But let me know. Put it in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. So. Oh, there we go. We did it. A couple hammer hits later, maybe one grinding wheel down. Got it knocked off. Let's go ahead and install the shackle on there now, tying it up, and let's move on to the next thing. Let's go. All right, guys. Very simple. So got these little snap ring pliers. I'm gonna take this shackle. There's a little C-clip in here. Line it up. All right, and then just really press it. Oh, let's try that again. Maybe I should invest in a better pair of pliers. Alright guys, I did not get that on film because I was having a bit of technical difficulties. Rule of thumb, please invest in good tools for yourselves. But as you can see, this pops right on out. So what you'll take is just your winch rope. Oh, let me put this back on here. But what we'll do here is just take your winch rope, slide it through here, take the pin, slide the pin back in, and then get to focus, put the C-clip back in here, and then boom, we're good to go. Let's go ahead and try to knock this out. Boom, as you guys can see, we are 100% good to go there. And now, ready to spool this bad boy, and let's go and watch it. Boom. As you guys can see, I don't really have much on my boards. I have my Winch remote cable, I have this little net that I have, this little tool set, some gloves. Yeah, so this is gonna be kind of cool. We're gonna go ahead and throw this bad boy on here. So throw this here, and then we'll throw this up there. So let's see if we can make this work. Boom, there we go. So you guys can see I got it on there with these little elastic bands. Well, it's not, I mean, it's gonna kind of rattle, but it doesn't make too much noise because it is cloth, doesn't ain't metal against metal. But I need more stuff on my boards. You know, I need a medical kit, maybe. I don't know, more stuff. But nonetheless, y'all, hope y'all enjoyed today's video. I did. It was fun learning how to set up my shackle, put my snatch strap up back here. So again, you guys know what to do. If you guys like today's video, hit the like button, hit that share button if you know someone that's interested in maybe getting that Smittybilt shackle set up on their winch. Like I said, it's definitely a great addition for the cost and the budget. And y'all know what to do. Hit that like, hit that subscribe if you are not subscribed, and those that are subscribed, or those that are just coming back around. I appreciate the love, man. It really definitely does help the channel. So I appreciate it, much appreciated. Wow, can't even speak. I'm out of here. Y'all know what to do. Follow your path. Peace.